Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Discord overlay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This feature only works in the desktop app, so make sure you're not using the browser version of Discord. First, open the Discord desktop app and sign into your account. At the bottom left corner, click the settings gear icon next to your profile. Now scroll through the left sidebar and find Activity Settings. Under that section, click Game Overlay. On the Game Overlay page, turn on the toggle for Enable Overlay. Once enabled, Discord can display voice activity, messages, and notifications while you're playing games. You can also customize the overlay settings, including its position and visibility, based on your preference. If the overlay doesn't appear in a game, try restarting Discord or switching the game to borderless window mode, since some games may not work properly in full screen mode. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable Discord overlay. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.